So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darling. That's hubby's, and this is mine. Here's what I'm having for lunch, my darlings. I made myself another salad, and I've already told you what I put in my salad, so that's what we're having. Also, sometimes I just forget to film for what we're eating, so it doesn't go from like Monday to Sunday. This is what we're eating. If I remember, I film it just to let you know. But this is really good, and I just put some zesty Italian dressing on there. And sometimes I make my own dressing. It's really easy to make really good dressings as well. So I'm just going to share with you, I just finished cutting up a smaller butternut squash and into cubes, but I just want to show you the mess, all my mess that I've got going on here, that this is real. So now I'm going to share with you what we're going to be doing for supper, for dinner tonight. So I got my butternut squash in there. Those are pork chops. It is kind of a tight fit. I've never done butternut squash this way, but well, we're going to try it. So I'll be back with the final, what it all looks like. Let's cross our fingers that it goes well. So I'll receive some apples, and I'm going to peel them and chop them and cook them down and make an applesauce out of them. So I will show you that as we go along. So I peeled them and sliced them, and I put a little bit of lemon juice on there so they go brown, but I'm going to be cooking them. So I'm going to be putting some cinnamon on there and some brown sugar, and then putting them in a pot to cook down into an applesauce. And I normally have like a apple core thing, but I don't know. I don't seem to have one anymore, so I just did it, the regular way. So here we are, my darlings. I've got the cinnamon on there and some brown sugar. I just tossed it up. I have no idea if this is the way you make applesauce, but this is just the way I'm going to be doing it. If you've been watching me for a while, you probably noticed I don't use really recipes. I'm just better at just going a little bit of here, a little bit there, kind of thing. So next I'm just going to put it into a pot and cook it down. So I put some water on there, or in there, and now I'm just going to stick the lid on, and we're going to cook it down to make, hopefully, applesauce. And I did put a splash of, fake vanilla extract, too. So there's my applesauce. Hopefully it'll taste good. We'll let you know. But if you've never made applesauce, it's pretty easy. And like I put cinnamon and brown sugar and all that in there, and a little bit of vanilla. You don't have to do all that. But that's just how I do it. You can do it the way you want to do it. But applesauce is a very easy thing to make. Easy peasy. So here it is, my darlings. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. The pork chops and the butternut squash that I did in the crock pot. It's not a huge dinner, but it's going to be good enough for me and for hubby. So this is what we're having. And also, I made that applesauce too, so we'll probably have that for our dessert. Yum, yum, yum. So here's what I'm having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Breakfast for dinner, but I made it into a sandwich. Got bacon and egg on there, a little mayo, a little mustard, and yum, yum, yum. I toasted my toast. I don't like it toasted a lot. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Better shot of there. Good. Tim Hortons has their holiday stuff out right now, so my hubby brought home a ginger oat latte for me to try. So I'm going to give it a try, and I'll let you know how it goes. They have other things too, and I'm hoping to get some of those things to try out for you guys. Let's just open the lid and see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Gingerbread, the gingerbread oat latte. There's no place like Tim's. There's no place like Tim's Hortons. This is so yummy. Hi, my darlings. I'm here just making myself some lunch, and I saw a little hack to make like kind of like a, I guess it's like a quesadilla or whatever. You just cut a line right here in your wrap or tortillas or thing, whatever you call this. You just cut one line. It'll be easier for me if I'm on camera. But anyways, you cut one line and then I'll be back. So I really hope I'm going to be able to do this little hack. So I cut part of the tortilla here, like the wrap part here. Just do one cut. Then I've got some of my turkey that I've shown you before. And then I grated some cheese. I got some sour cream down. A little of that Red Lobster spice. And by the way, it doesn't taste like the Red Lobster spice. To me does not taste like shrimp or Red Lobster or anything like that. It's just a really nice spices or whatever. Anyways, I got that and ground pepper and a little bit of bacon Caesar dressing just sprinkled on. And now I'm going to wrap it. And this is part of the hack. So hopefully I'll be able to do this. Okay. So see if I can do this. I'm supposed to put it like this. You see? And flip it like that. And then like that. Oh, I don't know. This is how it's like that. So make it, squeeze it down a little bit because I put so much in it. And then I'm going to, hopefully you guys saw that. I think I kind of did it. I don't know. I tried. And then I'm going to put it on the frying pan. So just give me a sec. So there I got it in the pan. I'm just going to kind of like fry it on both sides. So my darlings, here's my lunch. I tried the hack. And I think it went all right. It was a lot better. I tried this one other time, not this hack, but to do like a quesadilla. And I had to flip the whole thing and it was just a mess. So this was a lot easier. I just think maybe I should have maybe cut the turkey a little bit thinner or something like that. And it wouldn't be so like kind of thick. But it does look good. So this is what I'm having for lunch today, my darlings. Yum, yum, yum. Let me know if you've tried this hack. And if you do it, I'd love to hear. And I also wanted to show you, I've been cleaning my oven. I cleaned this. I showed you how I did that in another one of my videos. And it's still not the best, but it's way better than it was before, that's for sure. You know when you get all those black little dots and grease and all that stuff on there? Well, it's a lot better now. And I do need to get, I use those oven sheets. I need to get a new one because that was pretty bad. Here's what I'm having for lunch today, my darlings. Actually, my hubby is off. And before I go any further, I'd like to say to my American darlings, Happy Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. And I'm so happy that you're here with me and you make my life so much more joyful, and I really truly appreciate each and every one of you. So I hope you're having a wonderful American Thanksgiving. And today what we're having for lunch, I just made these kind of cod fish sandwiches with a little bit of fries and some carrots. So this will go to my wonderful husband who I love so much. So this is what we're having for lunch. Good. And also, I just want to point out, I watched the Macy's Day Parade, Thanksgiving Parade, and it was amazing. And to all those people, because I know there's probably thousands upon thousands of people who put the parade on, and for Macy's, thank you so much. It was wonderful. It was awesome. All those marching bands and the kids, they did awesome. And the floats, I just loved all the costumes. And of course, the musical numbers were awesome too. So just loved it all. So to anybody who was actually in the parade, you did an amazing job. You should pat yourself on the back. Not that you're probably watching me, but I'm just very grateful and thankful for each and every one of you. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Some KD with some hot dogs. Cooked up some hot dogs and put it in there. And we're having little garlic bread pieces. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. So what's for dinner tonight? I made some pizza dogs. There's a hot dog that I boiled. There's pepperoni, some pizza sauce. There's mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to put them under the broiler. I'm actually making these for my hubby. I'm just going to have a regular hot dog, with ketchup, mustard, and relish kind of thing. But he says he likes these things, and I've never made them for him, so I'm making these for him. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Show you when it comes out of the after I broil them. So here they are. They don't look that. I tried. These are the pizza dogs for my husband.
They smell wonderful.
Hopefully he enjoys them. But, that's what that's what he's having for dinner tonight, and I'm just gonna have regular hot dog.
Oh, smells good.
Good morning, my darlings. Hello, and I'm here to show you what's for breakfast. We got sausage and home fried potatoes and scrambled eggs that I made. I made all of it. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. I just wanted to share. Hope you're having a great breakfast. Thanks. So here's what we're doing for dinner tonight, my darlings. This is some sausage. I think it's Italian sausage from the Giant Tiger. It's actually 3 sausages, and I just took the casings off of them, and I'm just cooking them up. And my lovely husband grew these. They're still growing, and he just took this one off today. Look how nice that one is. And this little baby one. And I've got a pot of water going, and we're going to do some pasta, or we're going to try. I didn't have any of my strained tomatoes, so I did have a can of diced tomatoes. So I took my handy dandy thing here, and there is the diced tomatoes that I just pureed or whatever. So hopefully we can make a sauce out of that. So here's the sauce coming along. Got the sausage and some of the green pepper in there, and I did slice up 2 cloves of garlic. And no, I don't put onion in my sauce, but feel free to put onion in. And these are just the diced tomatoes that I pureed. And I've got my spaghetti going over there, boiling it up. So, just wanted to give you an update. It's looking good, hopefully. Now, you should probably not cook your, this is spaghettini, in a pot this size. You should probably do it a bigger size so it's not overcrowded. The pasta's not overcrowded when it starts to cook. So, don't follow me there. Do a bigger pot. I'm just lazy, I guess. And there's the sauce. I'm hoping it all turns out. Yum. You can also save some of your pasta water to put into your pasta sauce too. Just save a little bit and pour it into your pasta sauce that you're making. So here's my pasta that I made, the sauce from scratch. Here it is. This is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. And this would be nice with a nice garden salad or Caesar salad or some French bread or garlic bread. But tonight I'm just making this. Good. So there's sausage in there. I just took some sausages, took them out of the meat out of the casing, and green peppers from our garden that my hubby grew. We're still getting the peppers. I guess he grew them in a container kind of thing. So, but they're still growing. And yeah, and then the sauce is diced tomatoes that I pureed, and there's 2 garlic cloves that I put in there as well. And some Parmesan cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Hope you're having a great night. Thanks for joining us on What's for Dinner Tonight. Cheers! Toodaloo!